If you already have a CM2400 and a hopper extension, you can modify that hopper extension in order to make it capable to do recycling with a standard vacuum. Here's the kit to do that. We'll send you a couple of flanges. These are called middle flanges. They're 6 inches. One's going to go on each end of that hopper extension. So you'll just have to cut a hole around this in order to fit this in. You can use a step drill to get started and a jigsaw to cut it out the rest of the way. And then we've got a number of bolts that go around to bolt that into the side. Also, we provide you a new top cover for your hopper extension. And this top cover includes these nice thick vinyl curtains. You need these to help prevent a lot of blowback from the vacuum. It's not going to prevent all of it. As well, it's got a little stopper curtain in here for the vacuum. This is our kit. We can send this to you, and then you can go ahead and get started with the vacuum recovery to your CM2400. What you need to do is you need to put the flange up here near the top, making sure that you're going to be able to bolt it in all the way around. It doesn't have to go any particular distance, but just near the top. Scribe yourself a circle on the inside, and then drill a hole and use a jigsaw to cut that out. Cool Machines uses quality steel, heavy gauge steel. So take your time drilling through it. Don't put that on high speed. Just work at it and use a lot of oil on your drill bits. Here we have the hole cut out, putting it in, and oh, there it goes. Perfect. If it doesn't fit exactly, you can just file out some of those corners.